Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. We do an unboxing, the Silver CREST Personal Care Multi-Hair Styler, suitable for straight and curly hair of all lengths. So travel case included, thermo-coated, safety shut up, and then 180 centimeter approximately, and then guarantee 3 years warranty. So may guarantee siya, and then 50 watts. So let's open. Tingnan natin kung ano ang nasa sulod, the actual. Nabili ko ito sa LIDLE. The reason I buy this one is because it is a multi-hair styler. So hindi lang siya for straight and also for curly hair. So you can do a lot of things to your hair when you use this one, especially if you have a straight hair. You can make it curly. So let's open.
First, we have to read this one, the multi-hair styler, suitable for straight and curly hair of all lengths. Use as a round brush, curling tongs, or as a straightener. Ceramic tourmaline coated for gentle styling and optimal heat distribution to heat settings 150 degrees Celsius and 180 degrees Celsius. So, and 2 lead indicator lights. Use brush with or without rotation, safety shut up, rotating swivel cord, travel case included, thermo-coated, power input 50 watts, cable length approximately 180 centimeter. So, let's open.
So ato siyang abrihan.
So, ito na siya. This is it. This is it. This is the cord. So, cord niya. So, ito siya. So, itong abrihan. Tadaan! So, ito siya. Ang maganda sa kanya kasi may ano siya. Nasa sudlanan, batsada kayang sudlanan. So, atong abrihan. So, mauni siya. So, inani siya. Inani siya. So you can put it 1
and 2. So, muna siya. If you look at it, it looks like very small, but it is big. Okay.
This is made from Germany. Made from Germany. And then he has a brochure. So tingnan natin ang brochure. Ito ang brochure.
Sorry, no English. So, ito siya.
Let's try kung function ba. So makita na to na mo color siya, this one.
Itong ipansak sa kuryente. Then, atong i-on number 1. So, kung number 1, kani siya ang mo light. Kung number 2, kani siya ang mo light. My reaction on this is very nice. Actually, my hair is straight. So, I can make my hair curly or a little bit wave. I just practice because this is my first time to have this one like this. It's very nice to look. I like this one.